Since we have been talking about the coal and petroleum, let's discuss in detail about the coal, petroleum and natural gas. Okay, earlier if you see, the cooking was done using the kiln. You people might have noticed in the villages, or if you go to the tribal areas, even today the people will be using the kiln made of the clay and mud for cooking the food and doing the other activities which is related to the cooking. Okay, but if you look at the rural areas, in very few houses you will notice that they are using kerosene stove for cooking and the other stuff. But if you look at the urban areas, almost all the houses they will be using the LPG gas for cooking. Why there is a gradation in the usage of tools when it is in the tribal areas, when it is in the rural areas and when it is in the urban areas? This is the age old practice, right? Starting we used kiln, next we used kerosene, and these days almost all people they are using the LPG gas stove for cooking. Okay, when people were using kiln, lot of people were using kiln, government started educating them because of this pollution and the gases liberated from that cooking kiln, right? Slowly they transformed it into kerosene gas, right? And then after that the kerosene is transformed into the LPG gas. Now almost all the areas LPG gas is used for cooking, right? But have you people noticed, have you people observed the transformation really that took place here? Now compare the kiln and LPG gas stove. No smoke, no harmful releasing of gases when we are using LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. But if you are using kiln, you are producing a lot of smoke, lot of unburnt carbon particles will be present. Early